Hey guys, my name is Mike from Street-Line-Airsoft, and this is a war video in the snow. Once again, we have our videos. This is our field in the snow. So, and my friend is all the way back there. We are having a one-on-one fight. Like I said, this is January 11th, second war for today. All right, airsoft in 3, 2, 1, go! He's over there, go! Oh, shoot! I didn't even know you were over there. Alright, that's game!
This wasn't filled! This wasn't...
Alright guys, that was game. That was Mike Dinoli and George from Street-Line-Airsoft. Mike Dinoli won that round. Like I said, this is the second round from January 11th. 12th. Alright. Make sure you subscribe, guys. I'll see you later and peace.